Is the state of engineering education in India really as golden as it seems, or is there a tarnish beneath the gloss? As we delve into this topic, we'll compare and contrast the quality of education in prestigious government colleges and private universities. India boasts a plethora of esteemed government colleges known for their rigorous academics and high standards. These institutions, such as the Indian Institutes of Technology and the National Institutes of Technology, offer a robust curriculum, well-equipped laboratories, and an environment that fosters critical thinking. They pride themselves on their emphasis on research-based projects, encouraging students to push the boundaries of their knowledge and innovate. The focus is on creating well-rounded individuals who can contribute positively to society, not just excel in their professional lives. On the flip side, we have private universities, which have proliferated across the country over the past few decades. These institutions often lure students with the promise of state-of-the-art facilities, high placement rates, and lucrative salary packages. However, beneath the surface, the reality can be starkly different. The emphasis often shifts from quality education to ensuring students secure high-paying jobs, leading to a culture where grades and placements take precedence over comprehensive learning and innovation. The glamour of private universities can often blind students and parents to this reality. Advertisements showcasing Wi-Fi-enabled campuses and 100% placement rates can be enticing. However, it's crucial to remember that these are just part of the package. The real essence of education lies in the knowledge imparted and the skills fostered, not in the number of students placed or the size of the salary packages. This brings us to a pertinent question. Are these institutions nurturing future leaders or merely churning out employees? Are they fostering a love for learning and encouraging students to innovate, or are they simply preparing students for their next job interview? We need to reevaluate our perception of success. It should not be about securing a job with a hefty salary package. Instead, it should be about acquiring skills and knowledge that can help solve real-world problems and make a positive impact on society. This is not to say that all private universities fall short of providing quality education. Many private institutions are doing an exceptional job of educating their students. However, the focus should always be on the quality of education, not on superficial factors. So what's the takeaway? It's crucial to look beyond the glitz and glamour when choosing an educational institution. The focus should always be on the quality of education, the opportunities for growth and learning, and the environment that fosters innovation and critical thinking. As we wrap up this discussion, we encourage you to share your thoughts on this topic. Do you believe the state of engineering education in India is up to par? Are our institutions doing enough to prepare students for the challenges of the future? We look forward to hearing your views.